In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an access token in Facebook Events Manager. If you're ready to follow along, you just need a few minutes and we'll get you all set up. First, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be anything from Chrome to Firefox, whatever you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is fired up, head over to your search bar and type in Meta Business Suite. Now, the Meta Business Suite is essentially your all-in-one platform for managing business activity across Facebook and Instagram, so finding this should be your first step. After searching, go ahead and click on the first result that pops up, or look for the link that contains facebook.com in its URL. This ensures that you're heading to the official Meta Business platform. With the correct page open, take a moment to find the avatar icon. It's usually located at the top right corner. Hover over it and you should see options to log into your account. At this point, you'll need to use your Facebook credentials to log in. So, enter your username and password as you normally would. Once logged in, aim to navigate towards the Ads Manager. You'll find it in the menu. Click through until you reach the Account Overview section. From there, locate the Events Manager. Now, the Events Manager houses everything related to event tracking and management, which is crucial for analytics. You should now see a menu on the left side of the screen. Find the tab labeled Dataset and click on it. You're doing great so far. Once in the Dataset section, you'll need to select the specific pixel or dataset for which you want to generate an access token. Pixels track website visitors and their actions, which is critical for targeted marketing efforts. After selecting your pixel, look for the Settings tab. It's usually one of the options displayed towards the top of your pixel dashboard. Click on it to open. Now you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Conversions API. The Conversions API allows you to send web events directly from your servers to Facebook. Under this section, you'll see an option to either set up manually or with direct integration. Here comes the crucial part. You should find a link that says Generate Access Token. Click on it, and your access token will be generated right away. Make sure to copy this token as soon as it's generated. Facebook won't store this token for you, so it's imperative you save it immediately in a secure place, perhaps a password manager or a secure document. And there you have it. You've successfully generated an access token in Facebook Events Manager. With this access token, you can now facilitate seamless communication between your website server and Facebook, optimizing your advertising performance. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to save that token securely.